English together.
New Year's resolutions.
Hi, everyone. Happy New Year. Did you make any resolutions?
Happy New Year. Yes, I did. I want to exercise more this year.
That's a great idea. Do you have a plan?
I want to go to the gym 3 times a week. I hope I can stick to it.
That sounds good. I want to eat healthier. I love junk food, but I need to eat more fruits and vegetables.
Yeah, junk food is delicious, but not good for you. What fruits do you like?
I like apples and bananas. I will try to eat one every day.
That's smart. Eating healthy is important. I also want to read more books this year.
Oh, I love reading. What kind of books do you want to read?
I like adventure and mystery books. I want to read at least 1 book a month.
That's a nice goal. I want to learn something new too. Maybe I will learn to cook.
Cooking is fun. Do you have a dish in mind?
Yes, I want to learn how to make pasta. It looks so good.
Hey everyone! What are you talking about?
Hi, Alex. We are talking about our New Year's resolutions.
Oh, cool! What did you all decide?
I want to eat healthier.
I want to read more books this year.
And I will learn to cook.
That sounds amazing.
What about you, Alex? What's your resolution?
I want to learn a new language.
That's great. Which language do you want to learn?
I want to learn Spanish. I think it's very useful.
That's a good choice. We should all help each other with our resolutions.
Yes, let's keep each other motivated.
I agree. Let's meet every month to talk about our progress.
That sounds like a plan. Here's to a great year.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.